You okay?
The MCA is the one who is interacting at the lowest level in the country with the mwananchi. If we empower the county assemblies, we are going to see a success of devolution. And that is the greatest promise that the Constitution gave to Kenyans.
Tugacoka tukauga ni twende mbeca ciongererwo iria ciroka mashinani kuma 35% of the shareable revenue cirehwo 45%. No tukauga ni gucirehwo hau no mwaka assemblies ciheo freedom kana ciheo right ciacio kana hinya wacio uri recognize uria wagirire niguo billion iria ciriokaga tondu riu ciriokaga trillion kuria mashinani niguo mbeca icio cithie kwi Wanjiku niguo Wanjiku ahote ku benefit na ahote guthii na mbere na ahote gukura.